6 minutes, 10 listening tips to boost your IELTS score. Hi, I'm Nivisha, your instructor, and today we are going to learn about the different listening task types and tips and tricks to navigate your way to score 8 and above. Let's begin with the test format. The IELTS listening section feels difficult because there's a strict time constraint. You need to answer 40 questions in just 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes to listen to the recording, read the questions and write the answers. But don't get overwhelmed. You can ace it if you manage your time well. There are 6 task types. Number 1, multiple choice. Number 2, matching. Number 3, plan, map or diagram labeling. Number 4, form, note, table, flowchart, summary completion. Number 5, sentence completion, and number 6, short answer question. There are few tasks that most students struggle with, like task 4, summary completion, and task 6, short answer question. But the tips and tricks that I will unveil today will help you tackle all the task types, even the difficult ones, efficiently. Let's look at them one by one. Tip 1. Read the questions carefully before listening to the recording. This will help you identify relevant information while you listen. The trick is to identify keywords in the questions, for example, people's names, places, objects. So as soon as you hear them in the recording, you will know that this is the area you have to pay more attention to. Tip 2 is to make notes. Listen to the audio and take notes simultaneously. Since you've already read questions, you will know which information to pay attention to.
जितना भी ट्राई करो बनी लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ तो छूटेगा ही.
A lot of times you might feel that the information is easy to retain and hence it's unnecessary to write. But my friend, you always end up forgetting. So write it down. Tip 3. For certain tasks like short answer questions, you need more information. It's a smart idea to learn shorthand note making. It's a technique where you take notes faster using abbreviations and symbols. Our experts at LeapScholar help you learn shorthand note making and other techniques to retain the information that you hear. Try the LeapScholar free IELTS demo, attend an interactive live class with India's top IELTS educators. Get your profile evaluated, resolve your queries and pick the right path ahead. Most of our students score a 7+ band. Click on the link in the description to reserve your seat now for free. Moving on to tip 4. When you practice listening, make sure to pick sample recordings from different accents. The IELTS test will feature speakers from a variety of backgrounds. So listening to audios with just a US or UK accent might not get you far. Tip 5. Eliminating the wrong answers is as important as finding the right one. Many times the recording contains sentences that are meant to confuse you. For example, Mary found out that Jane is not her sister, but Erika is Jane's sister, while Joseph is Mary's real brother.
Das bedeutet, dass Ulrich mein Großvater ist und Martha deine Tante.
So as soon as you hear a negation, mark it on your question sheet to eliminate the wrong choices. Tip number 6. Stick to the word limit provided.
Control.
Certain tasks like summary completion, sentence completion and short answer questions come with a predefined word limit. No more than 2 words and or a number. If you exceed the number of characters, it will affect your score negatively. So be mindful while answering these questions. Tip number 7. While listening, mark your answers on the question sheet. Once the recording is over, you get an extra 10 minutes to revise your answers. Use this time to expand your answers and check for any discrepancies like spellings and grammar mistakes. The next one is tip number 8. In certain task types like matching and sentence completion, you are given a numbered list of items from the listening text to complete a sentence or match with another list of answers. Take a look at this example. Here, if you answer question 1 as party instead of B, it will be incorrect. You should write the letter B. Hence, be careful, you might know the right answer and still get it wrong. Tip number 9. If you do not know the answer, try to guess it. There is no negative marking here. So if you get it right, great. If not, you tried. Read the sentence carefully and try to guess which type of word will complete it. A name, place, object or verb, etc. Then try to pinpoint it from the recording. And tip 10, ask for help. A teacher can give you personalized feedback and advice on how to improve your listening skills. You will find our free demo sessions really helpful. Our IELTS experts will give you detailed feedback. So don't forget to click on the link in the description and reserve your seat for free. That's all for today. Hope you found this session helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any doubts and stay tuned for the next session. Happy learning!
For more such training videos, subscribe to our channel, IELTS Prep by LeapScholar.